So now I do want to demonstrate something for the for a future reference. There are some problems with Swift UI, and I've been looking for solutions to it. And if anyone else has had the same problems, or they know the solutions, or maybe I'm doing something wrong, right? So this is in regards to the web view and some of the map functionality as well. So you get a warning, and it just recently started happening as of maybe a few versions of Swift ago, right? So let's go back and let's run this right here. Okay, we have this. Okay, remember we have this data. Okay, and we have this. Now, what I want to do instead of pushing this, what I want to do is go ahead and pull up a web view with the YouTube video. Um, and instead of having this information, right? So let's just in order to do this, what I need to do is I need to go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this, right? Get rid of this. Go and put my web view right there. So since there is no like web view that's part of this framework, I need to create a custom object that implements UI representable. I'm not gonna go in depth with UI representable right now. I'm gonna do a whole different video where you go in, where I'm gonna go and explain it, explain the protocol and the methods attached to it and all that other stuff, right? But for now, let's just go ahead and create our custom object that is web view, and we'll implement it. And I want you to see what happens. So first, I'm gonna inside here, save time. I'm not gonna create a whole new file. It's gonna do right here, web view. Okay, look, web view, right? One word, not two words. Okay, struct web view, UI representable. Okay. All right, so now let's go ahead and do stuff that conforms to it. Request. Um I really need to put my glasses on because uh oh my god. Okay, here we go. So yeah, and this is a URL request. And so now I'm going to create a function, make UI view, make UI view, right? And we have context, and what I pass into it is context, right? This WK web view, right? And return WK web view, WK web view. Okay, and then I'm going to create another function. Let me just put some space in between these things, right? And I'm going to create another function, and this is going to be func update view. Update view, right? And UI view, WK web view, and we're gonna have a context, context, and so type what context, okay, and we aren't returning anything. So boy, we just doing a little something, and we'll say UI view dot load what's request. Again, I'm going to explain this in another video, but as you can see, okay, let's see what's going on. Does not conform to UI representable, UI view representable. Let me see something real quick. And you know what my problem is? I need to import. Again, I say import WK WebView. Okay, WK WebView, right? Or WebKit, sorry, WebKit. Sorry. And so now command, okay. And so let's see what's going on with this. Okay, I'm not sure exactly why this is working, but it is. If I was you, though, you guys, I would make sure that I do this when I'm doing this, just so, like for example, here, it's not conforming. I would say make UI view right here, right? And of course, WK web view, we return WK web view, right? And do the same thing with the other one. Okay, web view, right? But I don't know why that wasn't. I was getting that non-conforming error. Okay, but yeah. I mean that's it's neither here nor there. We have things to do, so I'm gonna go here, and I'm going to just say you're just gonna put it right here, right? Web view. Okay, request. Right, request. Okay, URL request. Say URL, and I'm going to say URL, and it should ask for a string. And for the string, we're going to say boxer, not body, boxer dot URL string, right? And we want to unwrap this right here. Yeah, let's see what's going on. What's going on? Require WK web view to conform to view. Oh crap, give me a second. Okay, WK web view to conform to view. Give me a second. Here is okay. Sorry, let's go ahead and let's do this again. I'm going to say not W web web view, right? Request, right? URL request, right? URL, and the URL is boxer dot URL string. I need to unwrap this. Unwrap this. What the heck is this? Let me see something. View. What the heck is going on? Oh, okay. The problem is, you are telling you this is frustrating. Okay, so now I need to say URL string, and this should say boxer dot URL string. I unwrap it here because that's optional, and this should not give me any. Okay, there we go. Oh my God. Okay, and I'm going to also put a frame on this modifier. Frame modifier height is 600 HEI height 600. Okay, and this should be. It says frame is deprecated. Yeah, come on, man. I don't care. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and redo this. I want you to see something. So yep, so we have this Nick Diaz, Colby Covington, and this is the detail view. And you can see this is working, and there we go. So it takes a little time to work. But if you notice something, we have these warnings. And let's see what this warning is. This method should not be called on the main thread as it may lead to UI unresponsiveness. And I have tried every way under the sun to take this off the main thread. And when I do, it doesn't show. And when I put it back on the main thread, I have this error. Yeah, I've done a lot of stuff. I've done if-let statements that check if it's nil. If it's nil, then I do a download on the back, on the background thread. And if it's not nil, I put it on the main thread, right? Nope, not working. So I love for someone from Apple to make a video addressing this, because if they don't, I'm assuming this is a bug in Swift UI. I've gone online, done lots of research, Stack Overflow, nobody seems to have an answer. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll move on to other things. On to the next.